This is marine collagen from Vital Proteins. I've been a Vital Protein user for over 6 months, and I can honestly say that I've seen a difference in my complexion, hair, and nails since using this supplement. So, collagen naturally declines as we age, so it's really important to find a reputable supplement to replace what we lose on a daily basis. And I'm glad I found the Vital Proteins marine collagen. Stay tuned and I'll tell you about my favorite drink to add this to. So this marine collagen has 12 grams of collagen per serving. You only need 2 scoops per day to get the full 12 grams, and it comes with a scoop for easy measuring. It only has one ingredient, which is wild-caught whitefish, and it's caught off the coast of Alaska. It's easily digestible, and it's soluble in cold water, so it's not clumpy if you were to put it in a cold beverage. To be honest, it claims to be unflavored, which it is, but there is a subtle marine aroma, and that takes a little bit of getting used to. That's the reason that I put it in something different than water every day to kind of mask that aroma. My favorite recipe to use is a peanut butter and chocolate protein shake. You get all the benefit and it tastes absolutely great. You can't even tell it's in there. So I would highly recommend this collagen supplement.